Okay, change of base for logarithms, problem type 1. Okay, so what happens, I showed you in earlier lessons in the TI calculator, that you can type in a log with whatever base you want by going to math, and I believe it's under the math menu. It was in an earlier video. So what happens if you don't have that capability on your calculator? Well, you could use change of base. So log base A of B is going to equal log of B over log of A. Okay. So when we just write log here, this is base 10. So on now any calculator, scientific, graphing, if you just type the log button, which we'll look at after, it's automatically base 10, so all you have to do is type log. So what I'm going to tell you to do is use change of base to compute the following. So 1. Let's say log base 4 of 3. Now if you have a TI, you can just type that in and be good. If you don't, what you can do is, so it's log of B, so I'm going to go log of 3 over log of 4. And you just put that in your calculator. I still have the TI, but log LOG. So log of 3, close the parenthesis, divided by log of 4. And you get about 0.792. Alex will probably have you round to a certain decimal place. I bet you it's the 100th, which is the second place, so that would be 0.79. So on a pretty clear-cut process. So here they give you one with a fraction, log base 1/7 of 5. So I'm going to go log of 5 over log of 1/7. So you just go over to your calculator. Any scientific calculator will do this. So log of 5 divided by log of 1 divided by 7. Put an extra parenthesis in there. And we get about negative 0.83. So make sure you get this in your calculator. The 1/7, depending on your calculator, might be a little more difficult. Right now you can download the TI calculator for free. It's a special offer they offered because we're all homeschooling now. So let's go with one more. Let's go with number 3. So you can try this one and pause it if you want. It takes me a few seconds to type it in anyway. Log base 8 of 1/3. So if you want, pause it, try it. I'm going to move on with the answer, or at least the setup. So here we get log of 1/3 over log of 8. Go to your calculator. Log of 1/3, close parentheses, divided by log 8. I don't even know if it matters if you close the parenthesis there. It shouldn't make a difference. but the first one does make a difference. You have to close it here, or else it'll give you something totally different. So you get about negative 0.53. So you can use this if you don't have a TI calculator where you can do the log base. So let's check out our first answer of 0.792. So if you have the TI, you can go math over to number. I just go up to, nope, it's under math, I'm sorry. You hit math, press up, and it's A right there, log base. So that first problem was log base 4 of 3, and hopefully we get the same answer here. And we do, same exact answer. Okay, so it's just a method you could use depending on the calculator you have.